All right, well, welcome back to our Amplified Life. We are here today with a holiday capsule. I bet you are just as excited as we are to see new combinations put together from our fall collection. And if you have been with us all season long, we just want to thank you for following each week. We want to remind you that we appreciate your comments, your likes, and your shares. And your comments we take truly to heart. We love to provide videos based off your suggestions, and we would love to see even more coming through. So if you have even a whole list that you would like to see, put it on down there and we're going to be there with you. So we are going to talk capsules today. So as we are reminded, that's 2 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 layering piece, but I've actually added a layering piece to both my outfits, and I think Rebecca has too, because it's just extending the capsule a little bit, but either layer piece will work with either top that I have chosen. I'm sure it's the same for her. What I love about thinking about holidays is I like to think about how much I'm going to eat, how dressy it's going to be. Is it going to be a party, or is it going to be a little more casual, kind of sitting around with the family, which is my favorite kind. So I often try to think of one kind of dressy look and then one a little more casual, just depending on the event that I'm going to. So if you are packing and going somewhere with family this holiday season, keep that in mind, that you can truly pack for different type of events with the same few pieces. And that's something that we really want to kind of pound in the ground for you, that capsules are really, really easy and really make your life lighter when you're checking your baggage. So the first look I'm going to show you is our new arrival Sophia jacket, and I have print mixed it, concentrate here on the brown side, with our beautiful sassy top. Now you could flip it to the red side if you want a little more color, maybe make it a little more festive. And I just have a simple jean because I love this with a fun heel. You can still do very dressy with a jean depending on the environment. But this jacket is so soft and yummy. I kind of imagine this with a holiday where maybe you're walking around with your family, you're out to eat, so you want to look dressy, but also be really, really comfortable. The next pairing that I have, I used our Scout jacket just to provide a little bit of coverage over the arm because I'm using our new deco top. Let me just flip this here. So our new sleeveless deco top. This could be, depending on your climate, great for any altitude, any climate that you're going to. And I love to add just a fun little pop of color to some of these base neutrals. So I have our little scarf there, which also extends your capsule by 1 more piece. This time, however, I have our chocolate brown zip zip legging. The chocolate brown came out with the new arrivals and it's still available, but I love this long, lean line. So I truly feel that if you really need a dressy outfit for the holidays, the simple thing to do then is to take your layering piece and you are just going to simply swap them out. I know you've seen us do these in the past, but we are going to take the layering pieces and make this one a little more casual, this one a little dressier. Now, some people may think a print mix like this is too busy for them, and that's okay. You don't have to worry about it if it's not a print mix that works for you. You could easily go to a solid brown, okay, look, but my 2 base neutrals are the same tone and the scales are different, and that's really what we look for. But again, if it's too much, you could just do a solid brown top under this and switch it out. But this takes the leggings up a notch by adding this beautiful Sophia jacket to it, and it's really, really fun. Now, you may also want to keep the scarf out of this if that's too much print, but the idea is that you get to have this outfit and swap them out, leave the layering pieces off for 2 more looks, and just add maybe just the scarf. So you can dress them up, dress them down with or without the layering pieces. And I'm going to show you this with just the scarf and no layering piece. You can see just how dressy that is on its own. So capsules are really great for any occasion. add a pump, a heel, or the next day add a sneaker and take the same outfit walking around with your family. So that is my holiday capsule. I'm going to turn it over to Rebecca.
Okay. Well, I love how Amy and I are both still on the same wavelength, but we've also, so we both have the Sophia jacket in our capsule, but I'm showing it with black as the base neutral, and she had it with brown and denim as well. But it's just so fun to see how one jacket, we tell you it'll work with black, brown, charcoal, lots of different things. And here we go. We're showing you. Now, I just helped a friend pack for a 12-day trip. And so I've got kind of packing on the brain. So I've got my holiday capsule as kind of a travel capsule as well. So you can throw this in on an overnight bag and call it good. And I've bent the rules because I have 2 bottoms, 2 tops, a topper, with a bonus of a scarf like Amy had, but then I've thrown a dress in. So instead of having 2 toppers, I've got a dress here to add up into the mix and match factor. Okay, so first of all, I want to just bring this stunning beauty out for you guys to see. This is the Harper dress, and I'm seriously in love with this piece. And I don't normally do black. So for me to say I love a black piece, it has to be really, really good. This is a piece that you can wear with the little V cutout in the front, or you could turn it around and wear it with the zipper in the front, whatever mood you've got going on, because we've got the darts both in the front and the back. So there is no front or back, ladies. And this feels like you're in your softest, most washed, most comfortable sweatshirt ever, and yet it's stunning on the body. So if you've been to a show and you looked at this and said, I don't need another little black dress, I think you need to reevaluate, because she is rather wonderful and deserves a spot in your closet. I think the other thing I love about this piece is that it's so easily worn dressy or casual. You know, throw this on with a pair of brown riding boots and a jean jacket, and you've completely changed up the vibe. Likewise, you could take like our long gold chime necklace, throw it on, or with really chunky crystally earrings, and you've just like gone over the top with it. So, okay, enough about Harper. Next up, I've got our ritzy top, which it's another easily missed piece that you don't want to miss, with our high-low crops. And I threw just a fun little wedge sneaker on with that, because I thought, well, that'll be fun running through the airport or whatever. And then with the Sophia jacket, I took our starlet shell, which is in this sleeveless black ponte knit, and I paired it with our ponte knit black zip legging. So you've got a column of black here with the chime necklace that helps slim and elongate and draw the eye in. And then the gorgeous Sophia jacket with the black here. So as somebody that's looking to pack with the least amount of shoes and accessories necessary, stay in the same base neutral. That's the key. That's one thing that my friend and I talked about over and over again, was same base neutral, because then you can mix and match everything together and have even more looks. So if you've been around for a while, you know that this is a very black, this is way black for me. So I had to add a pop of color with our fun little pump, and then I did do the gray wedge sneaker. But you can easily bring your ritzy top over, add it to the legging. You're lounging around on the couch. You could bring the starlet shell over with the Sophia jacket and pair it with the high-low crop, and you've kind of dressed that down just a little bit. You could also take the jacket and wear it over the top of the dress for yet another look. If it's gotten cooler than you had expected, that'll be just a really fun outerwear piece that you can use to your advantage. So And then the scarf just goes with everything. You can put it on as a belt when you've got your black and black. You can put it on as a scarf with the dress or with any of the pieces, and really maximizes your wardrobe and your options when you're out of town, and just makes life grand. So we hope you enjoyed these capsuling ideas today. And again, it's just kind of funny that we both picked the same jacket. We're kind of do from Utah to Kansas. It's a very short brain wavelength, I guess, but we love you all. We're so happy that you're here. Please let us know what you want to hear about, what you want to see styled. We've gotten lots of comments, and so we've generated videos based on that. And it just helps us with our little creative juices. It keeps them flowing. And we know that we're bringing you the content that you want week in and week out that's going to help you in your own wardrobe. So as always, please make sure and like and subscribe. Share us with your friends if you're loving this content. And until next week, stay stylish.